Most websites don't look bad because the design is bad. They look boring because nothing moves. The text just sits there, the images just stay still, and the whole page feels flat. But adding animations manually can be time-consuming, complicated, and if done wrong, it can even slow down your website. That's where UiCore Animate comes in. UiCore Animate is a WordPress animation plugin that works with Elementor and Gutenberg. It helps you add smooth animations, scroll effects, page transitions, and creative motion effects without writing code. So instead of using basic fade-in animations, you can make your website feel more interactive, modern, and premium. The first thing you can do with UiCore Animate is add quick animations to your website elements. For example, you can select a heading, image, button, or section. Choose an animation effect, adjust the timing, and instantly make it feel more alive. You don't need to write CSS, you don't need JavaScript. You just choose the effect and apply it. This is useful for hero sections, feature cards, testimonials, pricing tables, and landing pages. Another useful feature is that you can animate multiple widgets together. So instead of animating every single element one by one, you can create a clean sequence. For example, your heading can appear first, then the description, then the image. This makes your website feel more professional because the animation has a proper flow instead of everything appearing randomly. Now, one of the most interesting parts of UiCore Animate is the scroll-based effects. For example, an image can slowly move while scrolling. A section can scale slightly as it comes into view. Text can reveal smoothly, instead of just popping up. These small details can make a normal website feel like a high-end portfolio or agency website. UiCore Animate also gives you page transitions and preloaders. Usually when you click from one page to another, the website just loads suddenly. But with page transitions, the movement feels smoother. This is especially useful for portfolio websites, creative agencies, SaaS landing pages, and modern business websites. It gives the visitor a more polished experience. The plugin also includes creative visual effects like hover glow, gradient effects, and fluid gradient backgrounds. These are great for buttons, cards, pricing boxes, and call to action sections. For example, instead of a normal static card, you can add an animated border or glow effect to make it stand out. But here's the important part. Don't overuse animations. If everything is moving, nothing feels special. Use animations only where they help guide attention. So overall, UiCore Animate is a useful plugin if you want to make your Elementor or Gutenberg website feel more modern without touching code. It gives you entrance animations, scroll effects, page transitions, because sometimes a little movement is all your website needs to stand out. So that was UiCore Animate. If you want to make your WordPress website feel more interactive and professional, this plugin is definitely worth checking out.